Alibaba just launched Qwen-Audio 3.0 TTS, and it immediately grabbed the #1 spot on Artificial Analysis Speech Arena Leaderboard. With an ELO rating around 1200, it edged past ElevenLabs Turbo 2.5 and Gemini Flash TTS. But behind that top spot lies a huge shift in how we direct voice models and a major rift inside the AI community. Qwen-Audio 3.0 comes in two distinct flavors. Flash tier runs on a 12.5 Hz low frame rate speech tokenizer designed for real-time interactive voice agents, dramatically cutting latency. Plus tier uses a 5-stage progressive training pipeline with language model and flow matching reinforcement learning for maximum voice fidelity and zero-shot cloning. What got creators talking is how you direct it. Qwen added 86 fine-grained inline tags right inside the text. You can insert tags like bracket whisper, bracket angry, bracket breaths, or bracket laughs to trigger natural vocal nuances on specific words. Alongside inline tags, it supports freestyle natural language prompts like read this slowly, like a bedtime story. Listen to what this actually sounds like. First, here is Qwen 3 executing a zero-shot voice clone with natural inline.
Since then, the Brazilian has featured in 53 matches for the club in all competitions and has scored 24 goals.
Listen to what this actually sounds like. First, here is Qwen 3 executing a zero-shot voice clone with natural inline tags. Next, watch how it handles degraded.
If I could travel through time, I would visit this street 200 years ago. I would watch shops open with different signs and listen to older speech. I want to understand what hopes filled those forgotten hearts.
The community response exploded immediately on X and developer forums. Pro-prompt engineers praised the natural language Prosody control, calling it a game changer over complex SSML tags. Community developers highlighted how inline laughter tags unlock realistic podcasts and game narration. But here is where the story takes a turn. Alibaba chose not to release the model weights. Unlike Cozy Voice and earlier Qwen releases, Qwen-Audio 3.0 is completely closed source and hosted API only. Community members voiced widespread heartbreak, posting another closed source model. We miss open source Qwen. Furthermore, language support sits at 16 languages, leaving creator requests for Arabic and Brazilian Portuguese unanswered. So here is the question for creators. Does a leaderboard topping API matter if you cannot run the model locally on your own stack? Tell me your pick in the comments below.